Hi guys, my name is Leila Melgosa and I'm doing the climate change. So the climate change is a change in the global regional climate patterns, in particular a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards and attributed largely to the increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels. So here's an image of the climate change and what it has done. And here's an image that I found that shows that the sunlight passes through the atmosphere and warms up the Earth's surface, and then it is radiated back towards space. And then most of the outgoing heat is absorbed by the greenhouse gas molecules, then it's re-emitted in all directions, warming the surface temp and the lower atmosphere. Things have changed, such as the global temperature has rose about 1.62 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. The oceans have become warmer, it has absorbed much of it is increased heat with the top 700 meters of ocean. The global sea levels has rose about 8 inches in the last century. Data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment show Greenland lost an average of 281 billion tons of ice a year between 1993 and 2016, while Antarctica lost about 119 billion tons during the same time period. So here's an image of 1979 and 2018. So you can tell that there's way less ice than back then. And then this graph just shows a comparison of the atmospheric samples contained in the cores, and more recent direct measurements provided evidence that atmospheric carbon dioxide has increased since the Industrial Revolution. So 1950, for centuries this is how it's been looking like, and then this is how it is today, all the way up here. And then what's happening next is the magnitude of climate change beyond the next few decades. Hurricanes will become stronger and more intense. Sea levels will rise 1 to 4 feet by 2100. Arctic will most likely become ice-free, and then more drought and heat waves. And this is my reference.